Yo, what's up here, guys? We got a mystery box today. I don't know, mystery box. So I basically got this mystery box on this website. Never heard about it. It was sprouts on the internet. I'm like, mysteryboxes.com. So I don't know what the heck's in this box. I only paid like 40 bucks for it. So yeah, mysteryboxes.com. I mean, they got like a couple different sizes of boxes, but I mean, I just got the small size. So I'm gonna open this thing up. Don't know what the heck is in here. Sounds like something kind of, I don't know, something in a box in here. So yeah, if you want to check out the website, I'll put the website down below. Mystery boxes aren't that expensive. But let's see. Blade sharper. What the heck is in here? 40 bucks, what the hell are they saying? What the? Oh, what the fuck? They sent me 2 fidget spinners. What the heck is this? No. 2 fidget spinners. Like legit. Why the heck you sent me 2 fidget spinners? No, I don't want 2 fidget spinners. 2 fidget spinners. This is the most non-exciting mystery box I've just opened. Like, why? Come on. I mean, they say you can get a value of anything from like $100, I don't know, or it's like up to $1,000. But they choose to send me 2 fidget spinners. Like, no, fidget spinners. So I paid like 20 bucks for something. Well, I mean, like, with shipping, it was like 30 bucks or something. Yeah, see, says 30 bucks. For 2 fidget spinners. You gotta be kidding me, right? So these aren't even regular, these aren't even like normal fidget spinners. These are just normal fidget spinners. What? That was a joke. So yeah, mysteryboxes.com sent me 2 fidget spinners. Like, for real? I mean, they have a couple different boxes. Like, they have an Apple mystery box, and then this is just the regular mystery box. But like, and then there's a digital one, kind of video game codes. But yeah, I mean, I guess you get different sizes. But they sent me 2 fidget spinners. Like, is this even worth like $20? These fidget spinners? Like, jeez. So I mean, if you do order, maybe you'll get something better. I don't know. But yeah, I got 2 fidget spinners. Thanks for watching, guys. Might be able to some more mystery boxes soon.